Things are getting crazier day by day as we move towards more immaculate video generation from text using AI. This new project, StreamMultiDiffusion, lets you generate videos interactively as you draw on the draw pad. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of it. We will also look at the architecture and what exactly is the technology behind it. So let's get right into it. On your screen, you can see a free demo, a Hugging Face space where they have given this space where you can interactively draw, you can give your own prompts, and then it will generate a video. The only limitation here is that it gives you only 1 minute of time and then it runs out, and then sometime it throttles you back. So it's always a good idea that if you have Hugging Face credits, you just run it on your own Hugging Face space by duplicating this one or cloning it. Now the way it works is that on the left hand side you have the semantic palette where you can just randomly select anything, garden, dog, or whatever, and then you can put your own palette here in the prompt, whatever you want to do. But the real magic happens here where you either upload a background image, or if you just want to keep it white, just leave it as is, and then you can simply start drawing it. And then you see that here below you can just tell it what you want to draw, and then you can also give a lot of other things like negative prompt but shouldn't be there and prompt strength. So for example, if I say here a sunny beach, this is what I want to draw, and then I'll just go up, and from here just grab this draw, and then I'll just say here, and then maybe I'll just grab draw again. I'll just say guys, and then you can just click on let me try. You see that it is doing something. There you go. And then interactively, I'll just try to make it a bit smaller so that we'll be able to watch it properly. There you go. So I'm just going to grab it from here. Maybe I'll just say green one. Then I'm not a painter, so you can already imagine. And then maybe you can rub it, you can increase the intensity from here. This is a color palette. See that I have just selected it. Then maybe here I've just broaden it. Let's click on girl, or let's click on garden, and then you can randomly select. So it is randomly selecting things and putting it here. There you go. So this is what it has drawn. So of course it's nothing to do with my beach scene, but still. So you would need to of course play around with it to see how it goes, and then you would have to plan your conceptual design, and then accordingly you will draw it here. You will select your semantic palette or just put your palette JSON here, and already you can also check out the usage, a lot of stuff in there, and you can also mask the alpha and blur and a lot of other things. Now having said that, let me show you its architecture. So this is the architecture where it is taking the user command, it is setting the background, embedding it, and then dishing it out. So just to give you a background, the enormous success of diffusion models in text-to-image synthesis has made them promising candidates for the next generation of end-user applications for image generation and editing. And there are a lot of models which are already there, but they focus on improving the usability of diffusion models by reducing the inference time or increasing user interactivity by allowing new fine-grained controls such as region-based text prompts. But these researchers have found out that integrating both branches of works is non-trivial, limiting the potential of diffusion models. And that is where the stream multi-diffusion comes handy, which is the first real-time region-based text-to-image generation framework. By stabilizing fast inference techniques and restructuring the model into a newly proposed multi-prompt stream batch architecture, they have achieved 10 times faster panorama generation then existing solution. And let me take you to their project page, and let me play this to give you a real flavor of this. And I will drop the link to this project page in video's description, so just look at it. How good is this? This is a proper design what they have done, and then now it is converting it accordingly as per your prompt. There you go. So look at the new video just on the basis of that one. How good is that? There you go. As you are changing your prompts and your drawing, it is changing the video to the images too in that one. And sky is the limit here, of course. Now this is what they have described, that how in the row one there is a background, and then in the second row there is another person is standing in front of a white background, and it is changing accordingly. And then there is a coral reef underwater, and then you can draw some stuff on it, and it will draw accordingly. And then this is another demo of what exactly they have been doing. There you go. So you can draw something good. This is what I was doing, and then you can just specify your prompts here. And then there are various examples where you can draw stuff. Look at this one where they have on the left hand side semantic palette, they have picked up girl, they are drawing the girl, and then there is also a prompt, a girl smiling at viewer, and then accordingly girl is being generated. How good is that? So maybe we can try it out. Let me reload this one. Hopefully it will give me some of the credit. So I'm going to select the girl, and then I'm going to, okay, so it is already there, a girl smiling at viewer. I'll just change it. Maybe I'll just say blonde girl, just to change it. And then I'll just say, let me try 1 minute, pick up the brush, and maybe I'll just pick this. Let's see what it generates. And yeah, something is coming. There you go. And then I'll pick the brush again. Then I'll pick the brush again. And there's a blonde girl coming. You see, it's because of I have put in these things out lines, so it is just trying to go accordingly. There you go. So it has just put in flowers on top of her head, and this is all happening interactively. How good is that? Amazing stuff. So I think I'm just going to, we'll just create it. Okay, it's already done. Amazing stuff. So you see how interactively you can simply create this and then download it. Amazing stuff there. So that's it, guys. I'll drop the link to this in video's description. Play around with it and share your experience. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.